remember visions I was given, playing odds as it was written. I imagined ruling the world from project benches I was sitting on, dreaming of getting on. Thought it was easy till I seen what this was hitting on. And still you couldn't tell me shit. I was batting 1,000, everything I made was a hit. Even when I made mistakes, I always caught the sirloin tip. Said these niggas come close, but that's as far as it get. And I ain't know a damn thing, I just knew I could spit. How these other niggas on, it don't make no sense. So every song that dropped had me hot, yeah I was pissed. I just knew I couldn't quit, cause I knew I was legit. And then I joined some niggas looking for the same thing. Gold trophies, gold plaques, shining like gold beams. Take a village to raise a child, it take the same for a dream. It take the same for a dream. And we just tryna get there, yeah. And we just tryna get there, yeah. And we just tryna get that plain gold ring. Game 7, my team. And we just tryna get that, yeah. And we just tryna get that, yeah. And we just tryna get that plain gold ring. Game 7, my team. This is World War III. I'm down for the cause, I am kamikaze. Niggas rolling deeper than the fucking Nazis. Just looking for a shot like the paparazzi. They sit up on top as the God MC. Right before Muhammad called me Nazi. Even if you put me after I be Ali. Follow code, I am Hammurabi. It's in my blood like 5 big B's. Sick, I got a disease. Fuck my antibodies. Any beat can get bodied. Insane, I clown niggas posses. For they piss poor flow, they ain't trained to party. I could've been Hall of Fame in like 5 leagues. Bo Jackson, I'm crack Bobby. And for the right price, I move like I'm Bobby. Now watch me, motherfucker, watch me. Ah! And we just tryna get there, yeah. And we just tryna get there, yeah. And we just tryna get that plain gold ring. Game 7, my team. And we just tryna get that, yeah. And we just tryna get that, yeah. And we just tryna get that plain gold ring. Yeah, Game 7, yeah, my team. I wrote this shit when I ain't have $1, boy. And the only chicks that holler look like Tyler, boy. Gotta create a new way to say fuck the haters until I'm featured and faded or faded counting some paper. Meet me in Vegas, where what happens stays. Free falling got me ballin' like a castaway. Got all these women out here handing me they chastity. Besides what the pastor say. And ever since Pac passed away, I've been grabbing ass after class. Yo, I need to go to mass. He asked for 10%, but I need to give him half. And I need to do it fast before I blow up. And then I owe him more cash. Before you gas me up so much that I break down and crash. But until then, break down and then pass. I got a game plan to put the game on. Smash! Let it bang.